Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix hang problem in your Redmi smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So it is a common way that every mobiles do lag, but if your smartphone is lagging too much and if you are not performing any task and it still hangs sometimes, so you can do some things also. So firstly you have to clear your storage. If your storage is full, you have to release some of the storage to perform a task opening, or if you just free your application, it the application makes a space for that to open the specific application. Then secondly, you can just do a software update in your smartphone. If your smartphone needs an update and want to uh, update for a newer version of your smartphone, so click on about phone, click on Xiaomi Hyper OS, check for the update, and then you have to update your software. And you have to also update your system application and installed application from your Play Store, and just restart your device and your smartphone hang problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. So thanks for watching.